In this video, I will show you two simple methods how to play on community servers in CS2, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. To start, open the CS2 game and from the main menu, click on play, and now, next to the practice tab, you will see an internet icon and just click on it. And as you can see, the community servers tab opened, and after that, head over to the internet tab right here and now click on select game to select only the CS2 community servers. And after you find the Counter-Strike 2 game right here, just select it. And the next step is to click on the refresh button right here, so the CS2 community servers will start to appear in that list. And now I will show you one more simple method to play on community servers in CS2. Simply go to a website called cybershock.net, and here, as you can see, you will find the different game modes available for community servers. For example, I will pick this community server where only AVP is available, and now simply click on it, and right here you will find a list of the available community servers for that specific game mode. In my case, for the AVP only game mode. And I will choose this server which have some players on it. And now you can either copy the IP address for this community server from here and paste it in the console, or you can also click this join button which will automatically redirect you to this server. For now, I will just copy the IP address and connect to this community server. And as you can see, after loading, it works. And that's how you can play on community servers in CS2. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, share this video with your friends so they could also know how to play on community servers in CS2.